Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Nature, Art, Tech. We are doing the first ever unboxing video in this channel. IMS Smart Nepal, an official distributor for Samsung smartphones in Nepal, has recently launched two new products: Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus smartphone and truly wireless earphone Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Plus. In this video, as a part 1, we are doing the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Plus. Here are the devices. This is the Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Plus, and this one is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. I have pre-booked the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and I got this Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus for free. Let's break the seal first. Here are the key highlights of the Buds Plus: 11 hours of playtime, two-way speaker for rich sound, triple mic for clear voice calls, and Qi-compatible wireless charging. Now let's open the box. In Nepal, Buds Plus are available in 3 color variants: black, blue, and white. Here I have my white one. Here are some paperwork included inside. A warranty card and a quick start guide. You can go through this quick start guide for more information and features about the Buds Plus. So let's keep this paper aside and get into the product. Here is the box of accessories. Type A to Type C charging cable for charging the case. Extra bunch of ear tips and ear rings of different size. The case is in shiny glossy finish. The build quality of Buds Plus is impressive. Here are the contact pins through which it charges itself inside the case. The design and the form factor looks ergonomic. At the back of the case, you get a Type-C charging port for charging the case. The LED indicator inside the box shows the battery percentage of the Buds Plus itself, and the LED indicator outside the case shows the battery percentage of the case. You can also charge your case wirelessly, either from power sharing option in latest Samsung smartphones or Qi charger. Thank you for watching the video till the end. We are unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus in our next video. So keep watching the videos in our channel. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. Write down your opinions in the comment box below. Hit the like button and share it to your friends if you like this video. Signing off for today. Goodbye. Namaste.